All right, now let's take a look at the other markets. We see, let's see Bitcoin there. We see the Fear Greed Index that tracks the sentiment in the market today. It's at 30%, showing that it's just fear right now. Last week it was extreme fear, but that's an improvement. But it's still fear in the market at this point. We see the price of Bitcoin is trading at $40,997 at ATM this morning. And the market cap sits at $1.85 trillion. That's down about 2.07%. We're seeing quite a pullback this morning in the market, and Bitcoin actually losing that 41,000 range. We see resistance there at $42,400 for Bitcoin. Volume traded in Bitcoin, $21.65 billion. We see Ethereum there trading at $2,872. That's up about 1.85%. We see Ethereum there moving in opposite direction with Bitcoin, and but most top of the market cap is all negative on that counter. All right, let's bring in Olumide Adesina, our financial market analyst, to break it down for us. Hello, Olumide. Good morning.
Yeah, hello, Adi. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Yeah, so we're seeing that pullback. I think it started late Sunday, now into Monday, and Bitcoin there trading about 40,000 at 8 a.m. What's happening with price action?
Yeah, so the price action is just showing the reaction investors are pretty much having right now. Ukraine-Russia crisis still remain on the major headline, and it seems like the Russians are not de-escalating anytime soon. We are seeing reports that the Russians are becoming more aggressive and using more dangerous weapons, and that has really kept investors on the shaky loop. But I think price action suggests that the bulls are having the battle of their lives, and for Bitcoin to stay above $40,000 with an interest rate hike regime and also the geopolitical concern shows that the bulls are having the upper hand. And you need to also understand that the narrative in the crypto market is being offstaged by the growing adoption of NFTs. We've heard in recent times a powerful music label, Universal Music Label, buying 8 NFTs for almost $361,000. That definitely gives some excitement in the NFT marketplace. Also, Cristiano Ronaldo, a popular football star, also invested in a cricket NFT marketplace, which is going for raising about $100 million valuation. Was part of the investors. That also included some excitement. Then finally, Chinese social media Weibo also had to launch the NFTs, where Weibo has this Twitter-like functionality, so users could really mint their tweets. That also increased the adoption. So we are seeing adoption growing in the crypto market abstract world. But the reality is that the liquidity is getting dried up, and that's on two counts. One, we are seeing investors moving their funds away from centralized crypto exchanges to non-custodial wallets, and that's why you see Ethereum and Bitcoin having dry liquidity on crypto exchanges. Secondly,
right. I think we lost Olumide there. Was trying to tell us about liquidity on crypto exchanges actually drying up. It seems that traders are moving most of their crypto out of exchanges into non-custodial wallets, as he was saying that. All right, we'll try and get Olumide back, but let's see what's happening with top alts by market cap. There we see BNB there. It's down about 1.59% this morning, trading at $391 per coin. We see it's all red on that counter this morning, and we see Cardano there, 88 cents. Down about 1.94%, and Solana, the biggest down on that count, is down about 2.47%. XRP, 81 cents, that's down 0.57%. We see XRP still holding on strong to that 80 cents range. Look at top 5 gainers counter there. We see Bitcoin Gold, one of the forks of Bitcoin there, having a price rally this morning. It's up about 16.76%, trading at $39.17. I've not seen Bitcoin fork on the top gainers list for a while now, so today that's changed. And we see Bitcoin Cash also on that counter, but not on the top 5. Ethereum Classic, one of the oldies, also trading at $39. That's up about 8.75%. And Dash, $119.95 per coin. That's up about 8.26%. More of the oldies we're seeing on the top 5 gainers. We also see Decred there trading at $55.45 per coin. It's up 2.62%. I guess the only new one on that counter is Kusama. That's KSM, $152.05 per coin, up about 3%. And the top 5 losers, we know ApeCoin. That one has been rallying for a while now, and it's having quite a pullback. All right, I think we have Olumide Additional back on the line. Hello, Olumide. We lost you there. You can finish your thoughts.
Yeah, I think it was network. Yeah. So the narrative is just the same. And based on just rightly what you said, the adoption in that NFT space is bringing some buzz in the crypto market. But, like I mentioned earlier, we are seeing drawdowns on crypto exchanges as investors tend to keep their crypto coins in non-custodial wallets. So that is where prices dysfunctionality comes to play. But right now, I think the crypto market is having some form of support with the present and geopolitical uncertainty.
Right, quite interesting, because when the Fed actually announced that rate hike, I was expecting, Bitcoin to tumble, by a great deal. But would you say the market is actually maturing?
Yeah, in a way, but also you need to also look at the narrative that investors were pretty much not too excited that the U.S. Fed brought in a water gun approach to tackle inflation. Inflation right now is more than 4-decade high, and they felt that 25 basis points upside was not good enough. So that's why we saw Bitcoin still above. But rightly, as you said, that Bitcoin is maturing, but it remains to be seen if that will continue, because you need to see the correlation between the Bitcoin market and US tech stocks, which tend to be very positive. So experts are looking at drawdowns from those assets will definitely have impact on the crypto market, but we've not seen that in recent time.
Right, quite interesting, Olumide. All right, we'll see how Bitcoin and the crypto market plays out this week. Thank you so much, Olumide. Always good to talk to you.
Yeah, thank you.